Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an AA's vegetable judge, and a lot of times when we're out in garden centers, other places, we see the word hybrid or F1 hybrid on a tag or a label. And I wanted to just give you a little bit of information about what that really means. So from a plant standpoint, just like people and animals, plants have both a male and a female parent that are put together to create offspring. It's the same situation with plants. For an F1 hybrid, there is a male plant, there's a female plant, and the only difference between hybrids and open pollinated is that someone will physically take the pollen from the male plant, put it on a female plant, so they know exactly what cross they're going to get. The seed that are produced from that female plant, that is considered an F1 hybrid. The reason that this is done very specifically, so you know your parentage for the child, for the offspring plant, is to make sure that they're genetically similar to each other, so we know the uniformity, we know the performance of what's going to happen in the garden, and we know the details about that plant, how it's going to grow, how it's going to perform. When we're talking vegetables, we have a better idea of the yield, the color the fruit is going to be, the height, the nutrient requirements. When we're talking about flowers, we know it's going to be a uniform flower color, size, shape, all that sort of thing. When it's open pollinated, we rely on the air and the wind just to blow pollen around, so we don't always know what we're going to get on the other side. So when you see F1 hybrid or hybrid on a tag, it's not that big of a concern. There's not a lot of genetic modification going there. It's just someone ensuring that the offspring plants from those two parent plants are exactly what we want to get in the market. Hopefully that clears a few questions up or concerns that you had about F1s and hybrids.